The global energy sector is transforming, which presents a huge opportunity for New South Wales. Renewables are now the cheapest form of new generation, and technology is now available to back them up with storage such as batteries. Our key trading partners have committed to net zero emissions, and to decarbonise, they will need fuels and materials made using renewable energy. New South Wales has world-class renewable energy resources like solar and wind, a skilled workforce, and world-leading industry capabilities and technology. At the same time, we need to replace the electricity supplied from 4 coal-fired generation plants that are scheduled to close over the next 15 years. These plants currently make up about 3/4 of our annual generation in New South Wales. That's why the New South Wales Government has introduced the Electricity Infrastructure Roadmap. The roadmap will modernise our electricity system and set up our economy to be even more globally competitive. The roadmap will deliver at least 5 renewable energy zones across New South Wales. Renewable energy zones are modern-day power stations and will come online in time to support the closure of coal-fired power stations. The Energy Corporation of New South Wales will coordinate private investment and work closely with local host communities. The Consumer Trustee will look after the long-term financial interests of New South Wales consumers.
The First Nations guidelines will build on existing consultation and engagement requirements in New South Wales to support the income and employment opportunities for local Aboriginal communities. The Central West Orana and New England renewable energy zones will support an intended network capacity of 11 gigawatts. Network capacity will continue to increase as further renewable energy zones are established. The roadmap will avoid the price spikes that would occur due to the closure of major power stations. Its expected annual power bills will be around $130 cheaper for households and $430 cheaper for businesses between 2023 and 2042, compared to prices if the roadmap is not implemented. New South Wales heavy industry electricity prices could be in the lowest 10% of the OECD by 2030 once the roadmap is in place. An electricity infrastructure jobs advocate and New South Wales Renewable Energy Sector Board will ensure the use of local workers and locally made goods. The roadmap is expected to inject $32 billion in investment across regional New South Wales, as well as support 6,300 construction jobs and 2,800 ongoing jobs by 2030. It will also enable us to reduce New South Wales emissions by 90 million tonnes by 2030, helping to achieve our net zero ambitions.